Okay, hi everybody. This is the Math 20-1 Trigonometry review. This is question 31E. We have to find angle PQR. Now, don't get thrown off by the way that's labeled here. Here's P, Q, and R. What we do is we're looking for the angle, sorry, it starts at P, goes through Q, and ends at R. So we are looking for this angle right here. And just for ease of notation, let's call that theta. So now let's take a look at the information we're given. We know the angle here, P, is 92. And we know the side opposite it. So that implies to me immediately that we're going to end up using the sine law. So let's just set up that ratio here. This is going to be 28.6 divided by the sine of 92 degrees. Okay, and then that's going to equal, if you take a look at what we're given here, we know that the side opposite my theta is 19.8. So 19.8 divided by the sine of theta. Now to solve that, we're going to cross multiply because we've got a proportion here. Whoops. Okay, we got a proportion here. So this will be 19.8 times the sine of 92. And then to get the sine of theta by itself, I will divide by 28.6. And so we get 19.8 times the sine of 92 degrees divided by 28.6. And taking this, whoops, sorry about that. Taking this that one step further, I'm just going to evaluate and figure out what that is equivalent to. So 19.8 times the sine of 92 divided by 28.6. Okay, and we're going to get 0.6919. And we typically write that to 4 decimal places when we're looking at the ratios. Okay, that's just kind of a traditional way to do that, and there's reasons for that, but don't worry about it. Now, okay, we run into a little bit of an issue here because this is the sort of question that I've been answering much earlier in this chapter here. Sine is positive. Well, what two quadrants is that positive in? Well, it's going to be quadrants 1 and 2. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the inverse sine of 6919. Okay. So I take my inverse sine of that answer there, and I'm going to get an angle of 44 degrees. Now, that could be, whoops, sorry about that. That could be 44 degrees. Theta could be 44 degrees, or it could be 136 degrees. Okay? Because when we get the equation down to this form here, I don't know whether that's the angle that's intended or this is the angle. But we can figure that out just by looking at the triangle here. Okay? So let's just think about this. If this is 92, and if the angle is in fact 44 degrees, if we just go 180 minus 92 minus 44, okay, we will get that this angle down here is 44 degrees. Okay, which kind of sets that up as nice. Whoops, sorry about that. You can't see that. Actually, I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit here. Which sets that up as 44 and 44. So that's that's an isosceles triangle. Not a problem. Let's check that 136. Okay, this could have been 136 degrees. Now, if that's true, that's 180 minus 92 minus 136, which leaves us at negative 48. Well, okay, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, that is kind of a ridiculous answer, so we don't use that. And so our answer here has got to be 44 degrees.